Hi, my name is Tiernan, and today I'm going to be talking about breakout rooms in Zoom. To enable breakout rooms, first go to Account Management and click Account Settings, navigate to the Breakout Room option and enable it by clicking the toggle. The option to enable breakout rooms should now appear on the Meeting tab. You can now allow other hosts to pre-assign participants to specific breakout rooms. To make this setting mandatory for all users in your account, click the lock icon and then confirm the setting. To create breakout rooms, click on the breakout room icon, which should be the 4 squares. Select the number of rooms you would like to create and how you would like to assign your participants to the rooms. You can have this done automatically, where the computer puts participants evenly into rooms, or manually, where you can choose which participants go into each room. Once you're ready, click Create Breakout Rooms. The rooms will be made, but won't start automatically. Go into the Options menu and view additional breakout rooms options. These include moving all participants to breakout rooms automatically, allowing participants to return to the main session at any time, have rooms close after a set time, notify the host when time is up, and provide a countdown after closing breakout rooms. To assign people to breakout rooms, select Assign next to the room you want to assign participants to. Once a person has been placed, it will show them in place of the Assign button. To start using the rooms, click Open All Rooms to start the breakout rooms. While participants are in the rooms, you can jump into any room at any time, or broadcast a message to all the rooms. For more information on Zoom and remote learning, check out our website or call for more information.